What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to talk about programming your own beat set on the SP-404 Mark II. So on the scene, I've been seeing people use this, and mostly what I see people do is they'll press a pad and then the whole beat plays off of the pad, which is cool. My style's a little different. I wanted to do something that included the sequencer on here, and the advantage of that is that when you program beats with the sequencer on it, you can then do time-based effects that are in sync with your beat at all times. So in this case, I'm doing a beat set that's at 90 BPM, and my goal is to have 12 different beats with 4 different variations spread across these patterns. The whole session or the whole project folder is set to a BPM of 90, and the patterns that are in the banks are all set to 90. So that's all unified. I may do loops on here or drag loops on there onto the platform that I may have done on my computer, keeping everything conform to that BPM so that when I transition from one beat to another, it's real easy. So I'll give you an example of what I got going on, and we'll break it down. So I got my patterns here starting at A, and what I've done is to keep things organized is that I've done all my one shots on the groups A through E, and then melodies are on the groups F through J. So drums on the upper areas of here, sound effects, like I may do like sound effects for this bank on E or J, so I always have them in case I want to trigger some beat tags and stuff in real time. So let me just play an example of what I got right here. So I go to pattern select in A1. We got this, right? And we notice that the sequencer is working, so now my effects are all everything's in time. If I want to go to 4. So it's all in beat. But if I hit the next pad, notice how the beat's going to keep going and we don't stop. The sequencer's still running. Right? And this is going off the sequencer, so we can see that I'm triggering the drum sounds here in real time. And I know my melodics are here, right there. I can go back to the pattern and then go here. Right? So that's tight. That's all there, all in sync. So that could be like a hook for someone who's rapping to it live, like say at like an event where maybe someone's freestyling. And now I go back here, seamless. And you can do all that stuff. So they do that in real time, right? Now the cool thing, let's say, okay, that MC's done. So let's break that down real quick. So I got that drum. And then I got those chords right here. So that's all there. And then now if I start my next beat, because I'm trying to keep it organized. So like this is one beat right here with 4 different variations. This is another beat with 4 different variations. And I'll demonstrate. Let me know what sample let me know what game y'all know what this is from. Right? So I can stop that, but I know that's still in beat right there. Or I can go. So like maybe we're just going through a little transition. And then hit him with this. And you can just chop it, right? And we're still going. Everything's still sequenced now. And we're still in sequence. Now we go back to this one right here. More stuff right there. Stop it, and but everything's still happening. See, my intention is to kind of act like I'm like the live band behind the rapper or singer inside of like an open mic or in a performance. And I can come back to the main beat right here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just vibe with it. And we're back. Okay, then we got another MC going. But as you notice, the beat never stops the whole time. I might let that ride for a little. And then I got a whole nother beat right here. So this is the beat number 3 right here. Now we're here. Right. But just to break that down, what's going on. So like I said, I got my drums. And see, the cool thing is, it's like, because it's like a live beat set, I'm recycling the drum sounds. So that way, if I introduce more loops and more melodics, I can use the good sounds that I have and just maybe arrange them in a different way with different music to create different things. Same thing with this right here. So this one, I know that's a loop, but I know that my loop, if I want to find it, I know it's going to be on F through J. So where's it at? Okay, it's not there, baby. It's in G. All right. Right? And I got some other loops there. So now, if I'm inside of this beat right here, I can go here. And just freak it. Because I like to do chill stuff. I can get up tempo with it. But everything's still in 90 BPM. So if I want to go back in here, and like say if I was DJing and I had like virtual DJ running or some, and I got that going on, see I could use these two together. And now we're back on Yoshimitsu. I gave it away. And right. So let's break that down. So if I go to the patterns, I know that that's sample that's happening. I know that's here. So see, and they kind of go with each other. They're on the same line. But I still got my drums here. And then we're here. That's another beat. That's beat number 4. I kind of go off track because, and you can break the rule. Like, as long as everything's in like 90 BPM, you can break the rule. So like, I got like 4 plus 5 plus 1, so that's 5 variations on this melody. Go back and forth. You can flip between. That's why I want all the beats to be synchronized to 90 BPM. And so this is like beat number 1 on the beat tape, beat number 2, beat number 3, and then beat number 4. And I'm gonna keep going. And I'm gonna keep going till I get to 12 beats. You figure 12 beats by 5 gets you at least 45 minutes to an hour of playtime in real time for a real set. Now you can break the rules, put song lyrics and stuff like that. I'm sort of doing instrumentals to give people room to like maybe freestyle or flow on it, but that's sort of a little bit of it. But if you like this tutorial, let me know. I see this could be it could be really lengthy explaining this thing, and forgive me, I am dealing with some, I don't know where these allergies are coming from, but I'm dealing with some allergies. But you know, I could probably do a tutorial, build another beat across this one. If you're interested in that, let me know. We can keep going with this. Just putting this out there to get some feedback. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you on the next video. And have fun. All right, we out.